Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. Hi, my name is Breanna. I have a lovely guest right here. This is my boyfriend Levi. Thanks for clicking on this video to unbox this love scene box with us. And yeah, we're not gonna waste any time, so let's just jump into it. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this Love Scene subscription.
Love Scenes, a subscription box that makes sex conversations norm. We are more than just bringing couples together. We are about women being sexually empowered. The subscription box that empowers you to act out your own erotic scene with the bedroom as your stage. Love Scenes is your sex coach in a box, guiding you on exploring your body or how to open up to your sex partner. Whichever your sexual needs are, Love Scenes is here to help.
Okay, and it says that the box is $49.99 a month. So, first thing in the box is this, what is it?
It's kind of an instruction manual, I think. Also gives you sex position of the month. This month we have the fusion. You also get a sex tip of the month. Follow these steps for your next love scene. So let's go ahead and go in order. Take a heated, soothing shower with your Arousal Me Now soap.
So we got these soaps. These are libido enhancing soaps with, I'm not even gonna say, I'm not gonna read that because I don't know what some of them say.
There's some shea butter. Everybody loves shea butter. Lavender, lemon, whatever bergamot is. Eucalyptus, sandalwood, and geranium.
We used one. You see what that is? There's like a little hole like right there. Let's take out another one. We used the penis one. I honestly don't know how to use this. What is, does it smell like anything?
Kind of smells like lavender.
What is the next thing? What does it say?
Prepare for your scene with 2 drops of arousal oil. Gently place onto your... might have to censor this. Place it onto your clitoris.
And this is the oil that comes in the box. Haven't used it. Okay, let's see. Does it smell like anything? Can I have your hand?
Putting clitoris juice on me, guys.
Is there a problem? Okay, wait. There's a thing.
You took the cap off. There you go.
Ooh.
Go ahead and rub that in. Oh yeah, I can definitely see how that would jam you up.
Hold on. This way. Actually, it also says it could be used for like tattoo darkening or something like that.
Tattoo brightening.
There, that's what it was. Okay. And
it's kind of a lot.
sorry. Well, you got a lot of a tattoo. Ooh. Look at that.
I'm gonna have to use some of your clitoris from here on out.
Oh, yeah, when we go to the beach, you wanna look like, I'm a chocolate man.
What a beautiful chocolate man.
This is the arousal oil. What does it say next? Read the script and know your lines. Envision the characters and become them. Feeling the arousal oil yet? If not, add another drop. If so, invite your partner if you haven't already or begin self-play. There's this thingy right here to get the script. The next step says set up the stage with body oil and pick out a coupon from your provided book. Demand your request. So this is the coupon book that was provided. Sexy vouchers for her. Ooh, let's take a look inside. What's what? Oh my god! This is the first one that came up. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. Please do not watch this. Another one. A bubble bath. Oh, that one is cute. I really want to do that one. There are 2 more things inside of the box, which are these candles. I lit them. They're cute. They don't smell like anything, but you know, they could set the mood or whatever. The last thing in the box is this, the rocket bullet.
The rocket bullet.
Oh my
It's made
goodness.
by Pipe Dream. Actually, Pipe Dream. This logo is actually, the factory for it is right by where I grew up in Chatsworth, California. So if you guys ever get a chance to stop by Chatsworth, California, right outside of LA, go ahead and stop by Pipe Dream. Get yourself a rocket bullet.
I've never used one. I've never had one of these. So I put, what is it called? A battery inside just to see. I don't know if that's a lot. It feels like it would be a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you enjoyed having Levi here, give it a like, subscribe. All my socials will be linked down below. The link to the love scene box will be linked down below. If you guys want to check it out, you definitely should. If you want to, you know, have some fun in the bedroom. I'm sorry, Mom!
If you care about your relationship, you'll buy yourself a love scene box. Definitely spice things up.
Bye! That was the position, pretty much.